What are some things to think about while doing mechanical engineering? This is a really good one because one of like my skill sets that I believe I have is the ability to control process control, right? It's to control a product's flow. And so when it comes to like concepting a system, and also that's another thing to do is keep things in a system type of mindset, because whether you're working for a manufacturer or a systems integrator, most of the time you have to think about things as an entire full system, right? But just pay attention to like the dialogue, and the dialogue whenever discussing about a system. You know, there's some jobs where like maybe if you're doing like some kind of product sales, you don't have to think about things as much of a system, but just having that dialogue and that ability to communicate and know what different devices are is very, very important. You just start having that communication, right? If you know what a safety system is, if you know how, you know, safety systems are supposed to be redundant and they're supposed to have like dual chain circuits and they're supposed to be designed in a way that they fail safe. These are like all like key things that like you're saying these words, like they're just, it's gonna go,